this guide, I'm going to show you how you can link your Marvel Rivals account to a Twitch account. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, in order to do this, you actually need to use the Marvel Rivals website. So open up a web browser of your choice on any platform and just go up to this login tab and sign in to your Marvel Rivals account. Now, my account is through Steam, but yours might be through something different. Once you do go ahead and get into your account, go ahead and hover over your name, select My Account. And then from here, go over to this little connections tab right here and select it. And you're going to see an option to connect your Twitch. Simply go ahead and select this button. It's going to redirect you to your Twitch login, where of course you're going to want to log into your account. But after doing so, you can go back to your Marvel Rivals account and you're good to go. And of course, this is mainly used for Twitch drops, which can include skins, emotes, and other in-game rewards. I believe there's actually a drop going on at the time you're making this video as well, which is worth, getting. But all you really have to do in order to get those drops is watch eligible Marvel Rivals streams when drops are actually going on. And it really is as simple as that. That is how you can go ahead and link your account. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.